Goat meat, commonly referred to as mutton or chivan, is a popular ingredient in many cuisines around the world. Whether roasted, stewed, or grilled, goat meat is known for its tender texture and distinct flavor. In this essay, I will explore the various ways that goat meat can be prepared and cooked, as well as how to calculate the calories in each dish. Roasted goat. Roasted goat is a flavorful and elegant dish that is often served as a centerpiece for festive occasions. The goat is seasoned with a blend of spices, such as cumin, coriander, and garlic, before being roasted until the skin is crispy and the meat is tender. A typical serving of roasted goat contains around 300 to 400 calories. Grilled goat. Grilled goat is a popular dish in many African and Middle Eastern cuisines. The goat is marinated in a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, and spices, before being grilled over an open flame until it is cooked through. A typical serving of grilled goat contains around 200 to 300 calories. Goat stew. Goat stew is a hearty and comforting dish that is often made with root vegetables and aromatic herbs, such as thyme and bay leaves. The goat meat adds a rich flavor and tender texture to the stew. A serving of goat stew contains around 300 to 400 calories. When calculating the calories in each dish, it is important to consider the cooking method, the portion size, and any additional ingredients that are used. For example, a serving of roasted goat that is paired with potatoes or gravy will have a higher calorie count than a simple serving of grilled goat. In addition to the various ways goat meat can be prepared, there are also many side dishes and accompaniments that pair well with goat meat. In addition to the various ways goat meat can be prepared, there are also many side dishes and accompaniments that pair well with goat meat. Here are some examples. Rice or couscous. Rice or couscous is often served as a side dish with goat meat, particularly in African and Middle Eastern cuisines. Beans or lentils. Beans or lentils are a good source of protein and fiber, and can complement the rich flavor of goat meat. Flatbread. Flatbread, such as naan or pita bread, can be used to scoop up the meat and juices of the dish. Chutney or salsa. A spicy chutney or salsa can add a refreshing contrast to the rich flavors of the goat meat. Red wine. A full-bodied red wine, such as a Cabernet Sauvignon or Shiraz, can pair well with goat dishes. It is also important to note that goat meat is a good source of protein, iron, and vitamin B12. However, it is also high in fat and calories, so it is best to enjoy it in moderation as part of a balanced diet. By pairing goat meat with healthy sides and accompaniments, and by practicing portion control, one can enjoy this flavorful ingredient in a healthy and satisfying way. By pairing goat meat with healthy sides and accompaniments, and by practicing portion control, one can enjoy this flavorful ingredient in a healthy and satisfying way. Roasted goat is a delicious and elegant dish that is often served as a centerpiece for festive occasions. Here are some more details about roasted goat. Preparation. The first step in making roasted goat is to prepare the goat.